tree. I think the dogs are just excited as I am to give these a try. What do you think, Kira? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are going to be doing a review. I'm so excited for these Govee Christmas string lights, which I got to put on our tree. I actually got a couple boxes of these. We're going to show you just how cool these are. Okay, so first, they're really cool. Second, in case you were wondering, because I wasn't sure, you cannot plug these in end to end. So like if you get more than one box, you cannot plug them in end to end. You can group them within the app, but like the chasing features aren't always going to look the same if you do that. So we're going to see if one strand will be enough for our tree.
Yeah, so do you have the setting? Can you put it on a chase?
I think so. You did it, hon.
I did.
Now make it do fun things.
Make it do fun things. Alright, here. This one's nice. Okay,
This,
that's not fun.
I mean, it's fun.
Alright, what's this one? Ooh, universe.
Oh.
I see.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Like very random, just shooting stars?
Yeah. Huh.
There's gotta be another shooting star.
I'm sure eventually there will be another one.
Whoa.
There it goes.
I had a couple. That was a little different this time.
That
Alright,
was.
let's do that one.
That's just crazy.
You put 3 strands together and they could all be chasing each other.
Right.
Like, or you could just have it where there's 2 of them going.
Oh my lord.
2 or 3. Going fast. What's this one? Oh yeah, that was
Green.
I know, right?
Some blinky lights.
There's a lot of things. I like the music one where you can.
Yeah, the music one was fun. Set it to Christmas. What does it look like when it's just Christmas?
Here, what's that?
Yeah, where are you, Christmas? Holy cow.
So there's a Christmas.
That's what Christmas looks like.
Is that so? Here's another Christmas.
Whoa. Green.
Ooh, what about Thanksgiving? There's Christmas tree too. Oh,
Christmas.
I like that.
Christmas tree versus just Christmas.
Christmas gift and then Christmas the other.
Oh, okay.
This is sled.
Sled?
Sled.
Huh.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's good.
Yep.
Alright. Thanksgiving, Easter. There's a bunch of the festival ones.
Too cool.
That's pretty cool.
Yep.
Santa Claus. Right. Like
Oh,
cane.
that's fun.
Christmas Eve. Oh, there is a candy cane one.
Oh, is there a candy cane one?
I mean, that's what they say, candy cane.
Hmm.
There's a couple different flavors. Man, there's a bunch of Christmas bell.
Huh.
Or you just make your own.
Yeah, so there's a million options.
Painting. Do you seal?
Yep, I could just stare at this all day. Okay, so seriously, in conclusion, super easy to set up. I didn't know if 66 feet of lights was going to be enough. As I said earlier, they do not connect together. This is a 7.5 foot tree with a 5 foot diameter at the base here, and I think it turned out amazing. If you guys are looking for some really fun Christmas lights, we totally recommend these. I can't stop staring at this tree. I love this so much.